Hello beautiful people of the world and welcome to a new PD tutorial. In the last video we used two types of objects and specifically send and receive objects to transmit numbers from one place to another in the same subpatch. Now those objects are something like a wireless connection between different portions of our patches, and they can be used in the same patch, in the same subpatch, or between the mother patch and the subpatches. But how do they work? Well, it's really simple. We're going to make very easy examples here. So let's say we have a number atom and we want to send the numbers from this number atom to a different section in our patch or to a subpatch. We can create a send object and we can write send, or we can use the short form, which is just S, but basically they are the same object. So you can write the full name, send, or you can just write S and it's the same thing. So let's use the short form. And every send and receive objects, they need a label. It's like a telephone number they use to communicate. So for every send object, you need a receive object and vice versa, of course. So let's say we want to send these numbers. And very creatively, we're going to use a label called numbers to a different portion of our patch. Now we need a receive object. And again, we can write the full name, so receive. And we're going to use the same label from the send object, but we can also use the short form. So we can just write R, which stands for receive. Now as I change values in the first number atom, as you can see, the number atom here receives the values wirelessly. So this is very useful, for instance, if you have several objects that has to receive the same value and you don't want to mess up the patch with a huge number of cables, but it is also useful when you want to send parameters or numbers or data, whatever kind of data, to a subpatch without, again, creating a lot of inlets and connections and cables so the patch can stay clean. Now you can have several receive objects for the same send object. So this means that you can send the same value to different portions of your patches or your subpatches at the same time, and this is really useful. But you can also have several send objects that is going to send numbers to just one receive object. And this can be useful, of course, if you have one object that needs to receive data or numbers or symbols from several graphical objects or several parts of the patch. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you have questions, I will answer to them in the comment section. You can write in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.